So we're at MaxFlight Helicopters. This is where we are, getting our first helicopter flight for the day. This is outside their building. Have a nice little office out here. MaxFlight Helicopter. You guys should take a flight. I think it's gonna be fun. Hi, I'm at Max Helicopter Flight. This is Memorial Day. I'm taking my first helicopter flight. I'm very, very excited. Here's Jakara in the back. She's going with me and her mother. And we're in the helicopter hangar. They have over $1 million worth of helicopters here. And so we're here and we're enjoying it. We're waiting till the pilot comes back. His name is Chris. He's taking 2 other people out already, and we're next. So once again, thank you guys for joining me. This is Noelle. I am at MaxFlight Helicopter, getting ready to take my first helicopter flight. I think it's gonna be fun. And so anyway, signing out. Bye-bye. Okay, we're at Max Flight Helicopter, and we're in like a little class, a little movie, telling us what to do and what not to do with the helicopter. So anyway, you have to listen to the movie before you go on a helicopter because there's certain safety precautions and procedures you need to be aware of. Okay, here comes the helicopter. It's coming back in. I don't know if you can see it, but that's our helicopter. I guess I'm getting on here. I don't know. Coming in to pick us up. The helicopter is here, girls. Our helicopter is coming to get us.
Phone in the right position, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me get it started and I'll get the air conditioner going.